Guys, very good morning. So yes, you can hear me, you can see the screen. All right, let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's session. Now, yesterday, we completed discussing about JDBC. Yeah, we successfully done. From today onwards, and by the way, in JDBC, yeah, we had covered a lot of concepts. Mainly, we discussed about connection interface. Connection interface. In connection interface, all JDBC rotates among that connection interface. Yes or no? In connection interface, some 10 methods are there. All those methods we already discussed. So three statements, three methods. Statement, prepare statement, callable statement, execute query, and execute update. So result set, row count, all we already discussed. Transaction management, connection pooling, batch processing, everything. So yeah, by yesterday we completed our JDBC. Now, from today onwards, we are going to start with our servlets. So servlets concept, very easy. Directly I'm saying you, very easy, very fastly also it will be completed. Before, for JDBC, it took a little bit time. Actually, I took little bit time. Why? Because, I want you guys to get habituated with advanced Java. So that is the only reason every day I revised almost in JDBC, every day I discuss from our starting onwards. Yes or no, tell me. Every day I discuss that. Almost 10 to 15 minutes. The same discussion is carried on for all our days in our JDBC. So yeah, right now you guys are habituated with our advanced Java. Not at all a problem. So servlets. Servlets, this entire concept, maximum I'm guessing 20 days below 20 days. It may be 15 days. It may be 15 days or else above 15 below 20 on that date time it will be getting completed. So today only theory, no code, no logic, simple theory, that's it. So by the way, okay, before going to our servlets concept, could you please tell me how many types of applications are there? Four types. Yeah, we already know that. Standalone applications, web-based applications, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. Standalone applications, okay, leave it. Okay. Web-based and enterprise applications. When you are speaking about this web-based applications, web-based applications, we should be having a knowledge on JDBC, servlets, JSP. When you're speaking about enterprise applications, of course, we are supposed to have a knowledge on advanced Java. Advanced Java means nothing but JDBC, servlets, JSP. And yeah, we are supposed to have a knowledge on Spring also. So we are discussing about web applications. In our advanced Java, we are not dealing with enterprise applications. Enterprise applications means pretty much damn sure we are supposed to have a knowledge on Spring framework. No, we are not dealing with that. So we are dealing with the web application. Okay. Now, for example, for example, let us think that I'm having a system, I guess. Okay. Okay. Let us think that I'm having a system. Okay. I'm a user. Let me just try to keep it like this. Give me a minute time. Okay. Now I'm a user. Now, what I'll be doing, let us think that we are having an application. We are having an application and we will be inside this application. We will be having just a second. Let us take first a server. Okay. And wait, a server. Inside this server, I'm having an application. Okay. I'm having an application. Now, inside this application, I'm having a Java program. Means, for example, means, come on, let me remove this. Okay. Now, this is our Java program. Okay. This is our Java program. And this is our okay. It is present inside a server. SERVR server. Now, generally, I'm the user. What I'm going to do, online students, can you hear my voice? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Can you hear my voice? Okay. Is it audible? Fine, 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 fine. Okay. Now, as an user, I will be interacting with this system. As an user, I will be interacting with this system. Okay. Just let me try to keep it like this. I'll be interacting with my system. Means imagine this as you guys, this as your laptop, and you are trying to send a request. You want to open your Gmail, or else you want to open your Instagram, or else you want to open some job portal site. You want to open some job portal site. So what you are going to do, you will send a request. You will send a request. Of course, that request from your machine, it will be transferred to the server. That request will be going, and server, what it is going to do, it is going to give a response. Okay, so request and response. Let us think like this is our request which you are giving, request. Let me do one thing, just a second, give me a minute. This is the request. This is the response. This is better. So this is request request, which we are giving, and this is response response, which we are getting from the server. Okay, we are giving a request. Okay, now whenever you are giving a request, that request you are giving to the server, inside the server you will be having a application. Inside that application you will be having a Java program, and that Java program is your servlet. That Java program is your servlet. So basically what servlet is going to do, this is your servlet. What servlet is going to do, it will accept the request from the user. It will perform some changes. It will use some queries. For example, request means you are trying to enter username and password. You're trying to enter username and password. If you press enter, if it is correct, your output should be generated. I mean, next page should be coming. Otherwise, an error. Yes or no, yeah? So that username and password which you have entered, where you have entered that in HTML page. JSP page here. Yes or no? That data servlet will be accepting it. Request servlet will be accepting it, and it is going to check whether that username and password is matching with the database or not. If it is matching, the response will be generated such that you will be going to the next page. If that is not matching, again response will be getting generated that invalid username and password. So this request and response will be handled by the servlet. That is exactly what we are discussing today. Am I clear with that? Please respond. Right. You know what? When you're speaking about our Java program, I am speaking about Java, normal Java program. Okay, this is, let me just try to write it here, just like servlet, servlet. This is actually servlet Java program. I'm speaking about a normal Java program. When you speak about a normal Java program, generally, if we are, whenever you're executing our program, yeah, the dot class file will be loaded into the class loader. After that, it will be loaded into the JVM. Did you remember? JVM, internal architecture of JVM. Inside JVM, how many memory areas are there? 5. Class area, heap area, stack area, PC registers. Like that, we are having some memory areas. But when you're speaking about servlet programming, whatever the data which you are giving, it will be loaded into the container, web container or servlet container. There will not be any main method. There will not be any main method. Sir, what is this container? What is this web container? What is this servlet container? Yeah, in our programs, whenever we're discussing that, you will be getting more clarity. But as of now, my question is, did you understand what is a servlet? What is the use of a servlet? Yes or no? Please keep your side heading as, please keep your side heading as understanding servlets. Please keep your side heading as understanding servlets. Note down a small point for me, please. A simple point. Simple point. A servlet is a platform independent Java program. A servlet is a platform independent, yeah, of course, platform independent Java program that runs that runs within a that runs within a server environment that runs within a server environment and and interacts with users and interacts with users with the help of browsers. With the help of browsers. Servlets, please note down the points exactly what I'm saying. Servlets process requests, servlets process requests and generate dynamic responses and generates dynamic responses for web applications and generates dynamic responses for web applications. Next point. Servlets are servlets are managed by servlets are managed by servlet container or web container. Servlets are managed by servlet container or web container which handles which handles init init method representation. What do you mean by method representation? Two parentheses. Okay, init method which handles init method, comma, service method, service method, comma, can you guess one more? destroy. Destroy method. Servlets are managed by servlet container or web container, which handles init method, service method, destroy method. Inside the braces, life cycle of servlet. Please write like that. Inside the braces, life cycle of servlet. Now, just a small side heading. Servlet request response workflow. I want you to note down those three for me, please. Just observe it. It's self-explanatory. Remember the diagram which I have given you. Client request. Okay, user sends a request with the help of a browser. Servlet processing. Servlet process the request. For example, checking the database, querying the database. Last one is response generation. That's what I told you right now. Please carry on. Whenever you are writing this workflow, just remember the diagram which I have given you. Client request response. Client request will be handled by the servlet. It is going to process the request, example, checking the database, and response will be getting generated. Simple. Three things: request, process, response. CPR. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. Take time, no worries. If completed, please message me in the chat. I believe it's completed, guys. So yeah, we know what is a servlet. Servlet means nothing but a Java program which handles request and generates responses. And where this servlet will be present, where it will be working, it will be working inside an environment known as server environment. Hang on. What is the use of this server? Server will interact with a web application. Wait, what do you mean by web application? Please keep us heading as web application. Please keep your heading as web application. Note down a small point for me. A web application is a software. A web application is a software application that runs in that runs in a web environment that runs in a web environment and can be and and can be viewed VIEWED and can be viewed only through. Can you please fill in the blank here? Read the point, you will be able to understand. What is the point? Could you please give me your notes once? Please read the point. A web application is a software application, okay, where that runs in a web environment and it can be viewed only through browser. Exactly. Please. It can be viewed only through browser. Next point. These are built by using. These are built, B-U-I-L-T. These are built by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSP, etc. Sorry, JSP, servlets, etc. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSP, servlets, etc. Next one. Web applications are deployed on a web applications are deployed on a web container within the server, web container within the server, which is responsible for managing servlets, handling requests, and generating responses. Dot. Okay, guys, listen to me very clearly. Imagine a box. Inside that box, you are having servlets. Sir, wait, what is a servlet? Java program. Simple Java program. Don't think complicated. Make it simple. What is a servlet? Java program. Okay. Imagine a box. Inside that box, you are having servlets. Number of servlets are there. What is the use of a servlet? What servlet is going to do? It is going to accept the request, process, and it will generate the response. Am I clear with that? One more time. Imagine a box. Inside the box, lot of servlets are there. Now, in the same box, you are going to keep applications. These are known as web applications. That box is known as like a container. Web container. Are you understanding the point here? Web container or servlet container. Inside this web container, you will be having servlets. You will be having web applications. Wait, what are these web applications? Very, very simple. Web applications means simply here the output will be visible on a browser. You can see the output in a browser. If you are able to see the output in a browser, that is nothing but a web application. So inside that web container, you will be having web applications and you will be having servlets. So what these web applications are going to do, they are going to send a request and those requests will be handled by the servlets. Are you understanding the point here? Now, where, how all these are going to interact with the help of a server, with the help of a server. Are you understanding the point here? So now, please keep your side heading as server. Server. Note on a small point for me. A server is a third party software. A server is a third party software developed by vendors. A server is a third party software developed by vendors, developed by vendors according to the Oracle or according to the Java specifications. According to the Java specifications. Next point. Servers accepts requests. Server accepts requests and generate respond responses. Server accepts requests and generate responses. So wait. You said that servlet is going to accept the request and generate responses. Where servlet is present? Are you understanding the point here? Guys, respond here. Okay, now do me a small favor. I want you to kindly please have this diagram in your notes for me. Simple diagram. This just a simple thing. Please go ahead. Just simple diagram. Just simple diagram. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat if completed. Please message me in the chat if completed. One more time, I'm requesting online students. All right. I believe it's completed, guys. Yes? Okay. First, we started discussing about servlet. Okay. We know what is a servlet. And after that, we started discussing about web application. Come on. That is what we need to interact with. Okay. And after that, we started discussing about server. Why? Because that is the environment which all these web applications are going to happen. Now, when you're speaking about server, basically there are two types of servers are there. Two types. First one is web server. Second one is application server. Web server, application server. When you're speaking about web server, okay, please note on the point. Just please note on the point first. There are two types of servers are present. There are two types of servers are present. First one is web server. Web server. Second one is application server. Web server and application server. Okay. No need to write this. First listen. Web server. This is used for normal websites. Normal websites. For example, where huge transactions are not there. Did you remember? Yeah, we are having different types of applications are there. What are those? Standalone web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile. Okay, leave mobile applications. What is the difference between web applications and enterprise applications? When you're speaking about enterprise applications, we need to keep some points in mind, like load balancing, transaction management, security. All these we need to keep in mind. I told you the best example for enterprise applications are nothing but Amazon and Flipkart. Yes, I mean huge load will be there, transactions will be there, a lot of things we need to keep in mind. Those are known as enterprise applications. In order to create a enterprise applications, we need to use application server. That is what you are going to use in your projects. I mean to say, like in your real-time projects. So when you're speaking about enterprise applications, there will be two things are there. First one is web container will be there. Second one is EJB containers will be there. Entity Java Bean container. EJB containers. Are you getting the point here? Web container. Yeah, we already know what is a web container. Inside a web container, I told you, imagine like a box. Inside that, box, you will be having servlets, you'll be having web applications. I told you, right? So when you're dealing with Spring, yeah, you will be trying to deal with this application servers. Are you getting the point here? So, but right now, we are not dealing with application servers. We are dealing with web servers. What is the use of this web server? Web server is used to create a normal web application which interacts with the HTTP protocol. That's it. Means by using our web server, we will be able to create a website. Simple website. There will not be any transaction management. There will not be any load balancing. There will not be any thinking for security. Just creating a project. Just creating a web project. Am I clear with that? In our advanced Java, we are going to deal with the web server. The best example for web server is Apache Tomcat. That is what we are going to install it right now. Am I clear with that? Do me a small favor. I want you to kindly please write these differences right now. No need to go with this thing. Just go with these differences, please. After that, we'll be installing with our Tomcat. Please. Sir, is this important? There is a chance to ask this in the interview. If I am your interviewer, I'll not ask you this. Honestly, I'm saying, if I am your Java interviewer, I'll not be asking you this. But there are some interview people which they will ask you regarding what is the difference between web server and application server. Basically, differences plays a very, very crucial role. So that is the only reason I'm giving you this. So use of web server, like normal web applications, So application server, high level enterprise applications. Web server contains only web container. Application server contains web container and EJB container. Protocols, it uses mainly HTTP protocol only. Here HTTP, RMI, remote method invocation, remote procedure call, RPC, etc. The complexity, it is lightweight. Yeah, it is more complex. That's it. So Aishwar asking me, sir, Spring is an example for application server. Spring is a framework, Aishwarya. It's a framework where you will use application server. Got it, Amma? Yeah, yes. Just a second. Just a minute. Please. Simple differences. Very, very simple differences. I mean, easily you will be able to understand. Not at all complex. Simple differences. Don't make it complicated, okay? Done. Respond. Is it completed? All right. Now, guys, when you're speaking about web server, just a second. Yeah. When you're speaking about web server, the best example for web server is Apache Tomcat. And application server, a lot of servers are there. WebSphere, JBoss, Glassfish, a lot of things are there. Those later. Okay. Now, let's try to install our Tomcat server. Please feel free to open your laptops. You bought them? Yes? Come on. Open your laptops. Please feel free to open your laptops. Make sure you're connected to internet. Please make sure to connect to your mobile hotspot, internet, and online students. Shalini, are you there? Yeah. Shalini, did you connect it through laptop? Yes. Is it okay to share your screen? Great. Okay, please get ready to share your screen in 2 minutes. Please get ready to share your screen 2 minutes, okay? Okay. Open? Connected? Yes or no? Do not like this or not like that. Amma, what happened? Laptop? Louder. Actually, not, okay, you did not bought the laptop. It's okay, Tali, no problem. Guys, if you did not bought your laptop today, please follow the instructions. Very simple, very easy. Very, very easy installation. Come on. Java, it will not make you hard, okay? Simple installations. All right. Now, so Shalini, let me just try to give you permission to share your screen. Okay, Shalini, feel free to share your screen, Amma. Oh, I think, wait. Yeah, fine. Can you share your screen? Please check. Give a click on share and give a click on screen. If you are having any problem, message me in the chat. Okay, you are able to share your screen. Please minimize everything. Minimize everything and unmute Shalini. You can unmute. I give you permission to unmute. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fantastic, fantastic. There are two accounts are there. Please disconnect with your mobile.
Yes, sir.
So okay, very good, very good. Minimize everything. So right now, we are going to just a minute. Just a minute. Better? So right now we are going to install our Tomcat server. Guys, silence please. Completed? Right. We are going to install our Tomcat server. In every servlet programming, we will use this server. If this is not installed correctly, you know it, I know it, what happens? You will not be able to write the program. Okay. This is what I told you when we first wrote our JDBC program also. On the first day when I gave you the first Java program, JDBC program, I just told you how to connect to the database. That's it. That is our first program. So please follow these instructions clearly. Very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. Right. First things first, Shalini, is in your system, Tomcat is installed already?
No, sir.
Let's try to check that.
Okay.
Let's check whether Tomcat is already present in your machine or not. Please go to control panel. Just enter control panel there. Type here to search. Enter control panel. Control panel. Yeah, enter the control panel there. Yes, you got your option. First option. Select it. Wait. Wait. Please go to uninstall a program. Uninstall a program. Okay. And please check Apache Tomcat is there. Apache Tomcat, no, Adobe Genius, Anaconda, that's it. So Apache Tomcat is not there. No, it's not there. It will be present in alphabetical order, Shalini. So
Yes.
please check with A only. So it's not there. So no need to worry about it. If Tomcat is present in your laptop, anyone is having your Tomcat? Anyone? What is the version? Version, it's there only. That's another scenario. If Tomcat is present in your laptop, check your version. If it is 8, uninstall. I advise you to go with 9. We will be going with Tomcat 9, which is compatible with LTS versions of Java. LTS versions. What do you mean by listen? What do you mean by LTS version? Long-term supported versions like Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. Currently, these are LTS versions. So Tomcat 9 is compatible with these versions. So that is the only reason we are going with Tomcat 9. All right, Shalini, please close that programs and features. Please close that control panel. Fine. Go to browser and open Google. Go to Google, just google.com. Everyone, please enter google.com. Enter google.com. Enter www.google.com. Please enter google.com. Fine. Now, in the search box, I want you to enter Tomcat 9 download. Tomcat, Tomcat, Tomcat 9, just 9 download. And wait. Yeah, wait. So if you enter Tomcat 9 download, you will be getting like this. Okay. So the people who are not installing right now, they are not writing anything. If you are coming back to me again and asking me, sir, install Tomcat, I'm not going to do that. Again, I'm saying that very clearly. Please make sure to take care of these points. All right. Okay. So you will be getting Apache Tomcat 9 software downloads. Obviously, the first link. Please select the first link, Apache Tomcat 9 software downloads. All right. Now scroll down, little bit scroll down. Scroll. Okay, wait. Now here you will be having something like binary distributions. In that binary distributions, you will be having core, full documentation, deployer, embedded, a lot of things are there. Under core, you will be having 5 options are there under core. First option is zip. Second option is gz, 32-bit Windows, 64-bit Windows. Finally, last option is 32-bit or 64-bit Windows Service Installer. Can you see that? I want you to please give a click on that. 32-bit or 64-bit Windows Service Installer. Shalini, can you see that? Shalini, are you there? I want you to kindly please respond. Just a second. Shalini, I'm unable to see your screen, Amma. Please share it. Yes. Minimize it. No, I'm unable to share your screen. Give a click on share and select screen. Give a click on share and select screen. Okay, wait. Now, could you please? Yes, minimize it. Okay. Now, did you give a click on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you gave a click on that, just matter of minutes, Apache Tomcat will be downloaded. I think it's already downloaded. Please
Yes,
go to
sir.
your downloads folder. Go to your downloads folder. Okay. In your downloads folder, you will be having that Apache Tomcat 9.0.96. Just give a double click on it. Just simple double click, please. And if you gave a double click, what it is asking?
It is
I want
asking
to know.
for verified publisher. Do you want to allow this app to
Please
make
allow.
changes to YouTubers?
Please allow. Please allow. And wait until I say. Don't go with next, next, next. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that? Okay. So welcome to Apache Tomcat setup. Okay. Now please give a click on next. Wait. So yeah, license agreement, not at all a problem. Please give a click on I agree. Wait. Now here we are having select the type of install. Select the type of install is there. There you are having an option like normal. I want you to select full. Please select that normal, and there you will be having an option like please select it. Shalini, please select that arrow mark. Okay, select it. Now you will be having an option like normal, minimum, full, custom. I want you to select full. Please select full and then give a click on next. Wait. If you gave a click on next, you will be getting like this. Server shutdown port. Don't go with -1. If you are keeping exactly like -1, whenever you are starting the server, immediately it will stop. Start and stop, start and stop, start and stop. Are you getting the point here? Hey, respond here. For example, you started your bike. It will start. Immediately it will off. Start off. Start off. You cannot use your bike. Am I clear with that? So you need to, pretty much damn sure you need to change that shutdown port. Please change that shutdown port to 8013. 8013. Wait, sir, is it mandatory that, listen, is it mandatory that we need to give 8013 only? Can I go with any other number? You can go with any other number, not at all a problem. But generally start with 80. That is better advisable. Why? Because HTTP protocol, the port number is 80. Universal port number is 80. So start with 80. So why you have given 13? It would be like a random number. So for all our batch students, we will be dealing with shutdown port number 8013. Am I clear with that? And connector port is there. Connector port number by default, it will be 8080. You know, some systems will be having the same port number. Some softwares will be having the same port number 8080. So I don't want you to use the same port number 8080. Let us change it into 8086. 8086. Now do me a small favor. Right now in your notes, please write these two port numbers. Shutdown port number. What is your shutdown port number? 8013. What is your connector port number? 8086. Very important. Did you remember 1521? What is that? Oracle port number. Like that. These are important. Please note them down. Right now in your notes, just server shutdown port number 8013. You should not forget them. That is the only reason I made everyone the same numbers. Even if you forget, your neighbor will remember. Okay. So server shutdown port number 8013, HTTP 1.1 connector port number, that is 8086. 8086. And service name, write the service name also. Service name is Tomcat 9. Keep it like that only. No need to change anything. Just please write your service name as Tomcat 9. Same service name. No, we will not be using that anywhere, but keep it like that. Username. Don't go with any other usernames. Write exactly what I am saying. Manager. Manager. All small letters. All small letters. Sir, is it mandatory that I need to go with manager only? No, it's not mandatory. You can go with any other name, but I advise go with the same. Everyone, let's follow the same thing. Password. Don't go with your own personalized passwords. Don't, if I ask your passwords, then I'll understand a lot of things about you. I don't want to go with those personalized passwords. Why? Because we need to write these passwords in our code. Okay? Don't go with your personalized passwords. Go with manager only. Username is manager. Password is also manager. All small letters. All small letters. Got it? Manager. 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 All small letters. All small letters. Username manager. Password manager. Yep. Give a click on next, please. Give a click on next. And it will ask you like in which directory Java is there. Already we have installed Java. Automatically it will take it. No need to change anything. No need to change anything. It will show you C program files Java JDK 17. Generally, older versions of Java, we need to inform where JRE is present. Listen, older versions of Java, we need to inform where JRE is present. But currently, latest versions of Java, no need to go with JRE. Directly, you can go with JDK. No problem. So don't change anything. Don't change anything in this page. Just give a click on next. Okay. So if you give a click on next, it will ask you like where we need to install destination folder. Generally, it will be C program files, Apache, Tomcat, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0. No need to change anything. Just give a click on install and wait. Just matter of seconds, it will be completed. And done. Wait, wait, wait. Don't do anything, Amma. Wait. Is it completed? Installation is done? Okay. Now, is it completed? What is the problem? Java is installed or not? Is Java installed? Which version? That's the reason you are having it. Install JDK 17 and start the same thing again. Same thing again. Install JDK 17 and start the same thing. Are you getting the point there? Automatically it will take it. Got it? Or else bring the laptop once. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Be fast. Just a second. Just a second. Give me a minute. So yeah, this is the problem. So if you give a click on next, it will be going. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me go with full. Next. What is the server shutdown port number? 8013. And here what I gave you? 8086. Username MANAGER manager. Password also MANAGER manager. Give a click on next. And here, where is your Java installed? Let me go like this: PC, C drive, program files. Where is our Java? Where you install Java? D drive install Java. Why? Okay, where? JDK 22. You are using JDK 22. Okay, please Give me a minute, guys. Where is our Tomcat? Don't do anything. Please give me a minute time. What is the server port shutdown port number? 8013 and 8086. Tomcat, no need to change anything. Manager. Password also manager. Which version of Java you are using? Where you installed it? In C drive only. Let me check with that. This PC, C drive, program files, Java. 17 is there, right? Go ahead. All right. So yes, once installation is completed, you will be getting two checkboxes: run Apache Tomcat, show readme. Uncheck them. Uncheck them. Please don't check them. Uncheck it. Okay. Uncheck them. Is it done? Okay. Now finish. Give a click on finish. All right. So successfully Tomcat installed. Let's try to start our server. Okay. If your laptop is having virus, most of the time Tomcat server will not start. If you are having virus, I'm guessing mostly you will not be having any virus. So let's see. Shalini, please go to C drive. Everyone, go to C drive. Okay, program files, not program files x86. Directly program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0. You will be getting a option like you don't have permission to access this folder. Give a click on continue. Give a click on continue. Then you will be getting an option like this. Can you see that? Bin, configure, lib, logs, temp, web apps, work like that. Yes? Everyone got those? What you got it? Come back here. If it is not opening, you need to give the permission. Come, be fast, be fast. So how, okay, if you are giving a click on this, it is not opening. Okay, do one thing, close it. So, okay, let me go to this PC where is a C drive. So inside C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0. So it is not opening. Why? Because you need to give a permission for that. Let me just try to right click, show more options. Give me a minute. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Do one thing. Just now we have installed it, right? Guys, for anyone, you are having this problem. It is not opening. For anyone, if it is getting this problem, do one thing. Restart your system right now. Go ahead. Go ahead. Online students, if anyone is facing that, kindly please message me in the chat. Everyone should be able to see this bin configuration lib. Are you able to see that? I want you to kindly please respond in the chat, guys. Are you able to see that? Respond. You need to respond here. If you're responding, then only I'll be able to understand. Okay, okay. Very good. Almost everyone is able to see that. Not at all a problem. If you are unable to see that, just restart your system. Just restart your system and try to open that Tomcat 9.0. It will ask you permission. Like whether you need to continue or not. You just give a click on continue, you'll be able to see that. Okay, right. Now, Shalini, I want you to kindly please give a click on bin folder. Please give a click on bin folder. All right. Now, if you gave a click on bin folder, you will be having a lot of options, but there are two things, Tomcat 9 and Tomcat 9W. Can you see that? Tomcat 9 and Tomcat 9W. Now, we need to give a click on Tomcat 9W. Please give double click on Tomcat 9W. What it is asking.
So it is asking permission.
Please give the permission. Please give the permission. Okay. If you are like, it is asking permission, and once you allow it, it will be showing you like this, yes or no. Tomcat 9.0, Tomcat 9 properties, something will be getting there. So no need to worry about everything. Just give a click on start. There is an option like start. Just give a click on start and wait. Wait. Your server is starting right now. And then service status started. Previously, service status is stopped. Right now, it will change to service status started. Can you see that? Yes or no? Okay. Now, give a click on OK. Give a click on OK. Please go to your Chrome. Open your browser. Open your browser. Take a new tab. Enter localhost LOCAL, local host, colon, not semicolon, colon. What is the connector port number you have given? Please write the same port number, 8086, press enter button. And you should be able to see this. Can you see this? If you are viewing this page, server installation is done perfectly and your server is ready for servlets. Am I clear with that? Now we'll do one thing. Right now, remember, still server is running. That is the only reason we are able to view this, right? So let's just try to stop the server. It is always a good programming practice to stop the server after your work is done. Am I clear with that? You will not be able to view this page if you are not giving the port number correctly. Connector port number. Okay, do one thing. Shalini, please copy that path, URL path. Copy the URL path. Copy it. Control C. Go to a notepad. Go to a notepad and try to paste it. Observe what you are getting. Paste it and observe what you are getting. What you are getting? HTTP colon slashes. Tell me, 2 backslashes localhost colon 8086. This is your URL. Don't simply think like localhost. You need to give HTTP also. You know, as we are using Chrome, automatically it will be taken by the browser. That is the reason we have just written localhost. But in interview, if the interviewer asks you like how you are going to connect, what is the URL for connecting to your server, what you need to say? HTTP colon, HTTP colon 2 slashes localhost colon 8086. In the place of localhost, you can write 127.0.0.1 also. Not at all a problem. Universal port number. Am I clear with that? Okay. Please, I told you to note down some things. Shut down port number. Tell me. 8013. Connector port number. Username. Password. URL. URL. What is the URL? HTTP colon two slashes localhost colon 8086. That is your URL. Am I clear with that? Okay. Shalini, please minimize it. Now, Shalini, please go to C drive one more time. C drive. Yeah, same. Tomcat 9W is there. Okay, okay. C drive program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0. Now, go to bin. Yes. Now, right now, I want to shut down. Just now I started, right? Now I want to stop my server. Okay, please double click on Tomcat 9W. It will ask you permission. Please allow it. And yeah, service status is started. As of now, the service status is started. So just try to stop the service. Give a click on stop and wait. And did you check the service status? It stopped. Okay, give a click on OK. Please go to your web page and try to refresh it. Refresh. You'll not be able to reach it. Why? Because your server is stopped. Am I clear with that? So this is how we need to install our Tomcat. So by tomorrow, everyone should be presenting, everyone should be installing Tomcat server in your laptop. Am I clear with that? Yeah, Shalini, thanks, Aman. Thank you for your assist. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let me just try to share my screen. All right. Online students, I believe it's clear, guys, for everyone. Tomcat installation completed. Please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. See, Aishwarya, did we started with any working with any kind of applications? No, right? So could you please wait for it? Yeah, I understand. I got your doubt, but wait for it. Whenever that concept comes, I'll let you know. Wait for it, please. That is good. That is good. All right, guys. I believe it's complete for everyone. Dot. That's it. That's it for today. We have successfully installed our Tomcat. So tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss about in JDBC we discussed mainly about one interface. What is that? Connection interface. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about servlet interface, servlet API. We will be discussing about servlet API. Okay. If time permits, tomorrow only I am going to write a new program. Otherwise, day after tomorrow, damn sure I'm going to write it. All right. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. Online sessions, I believe you enjoyed our today's sessions, guys. All right. All right. All right. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Thank you for listening.